it's Niamh here in Tully Nurseries, and I'm in the middle of Tunnel 2, surrounded by beautiful colour. This range is really selling like hotcakes this year. We trebled our production, sold out of Wisley, Vanilla, but this lovely one called Amelie has lovely soft pink flowers, and it's also scented, it's highly scented. So have a look out for this on our list. I'm just going to give you a quick overview on the range. What I've done is I've picked out my favourites for this week, so we have more than this. This one at the front is called Candy House. Really nice small petunias, really good in the rain as well. Here's Cherry Kiss, lovely colours, pinks and the whites will come through. Really nice dahlia pom-poms. I've got Rivera red and pom-pom pinto yellow. So dahlias will flower for a long time as well. For height then in a container, Biden's beautiful in this, really the bees love it. This one is called Riverside, and we also have one coming on called Cracker, which is more of a dwarf form. Nemesia J'adore, really love this plant. Very popular as well in garden centres. And finally, our petunia, Queen of Hearts, Amore Queen of Hearts. Saw this at the flower trials last year, absolutely love it. Have a look at the list and don't miss this fantastic range.